It's mail time, baby, oh yeah. Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood makeup artist here, Kat Sketch, to do a PR unboxing haul. Before I start the video, I need to tell you something. There has been notifications to me in comments and emails. Some of you guys have not been seeing my videos for months because YouTube hasn't been notifying you, and people that are subscribed have been unsubscribing, so I hate doing this, but hit that notification bell so you guys can know when my videos go up. But let's get started. Let's start off with Sister Too Faced, because I went to a PR event with Too Faced. So, where's my knife? We found her. So, let's see what's inside this Too Faced package. I'm hoping this is like the 80s throwback eyeshadow palette, but I don't know. Until, whoa. Come on, why? Oh, I'm opening it wrong. Oh, how cute. Ooh, and we got the Hangover RX primers with coconut water, probiotic based. Yes, I need to try this. I'll go pick that up and try it. And this baby I thought I would save for you guys because I got it at an event. I went to a Too Faced event, like I said, where they had peaches everywhere. They had every single peach product. If you know me, I'm a super duper huge fan of the original peach eyeshadow palette. So we have the Comfort Matte Foundation and Setting Spray, and they were so nice to actually swatch it on my face at the event, so I know she works. And ooh, we got a cooling matte primer. What? Yes, eyeshadow palette. Let's look at her. Ooh, yes, this one goes dry or wet. You can use them as like a cheek shade, on your eyelids, just anywhere and everywhere. I really am digging this orange color with gold flecks in it. And of course, she smells like peaches. And then I'm super excited about these. These are the peach lip scrub and lip balm. And what I love about this, it's so delicious that you'll want to like eat it. And for us gals like me who have humongous lips, you need something like this that just, I tasted this at the event. I was like in the corner. But there was this peach lip balm. Oh, and it's pink and cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to slather all these on my face. What else we got? Oh, we've got every single shade of the Peach Kiss Moisture Matte Long Wearing Lipstick. It looks like a bullet, and what I love about it, Too Faced, you know what you're doing. You put the color of the lipstick on top. Oh, and there's little peaches all over it. That's a very short bullet. Is it just me? There's just so many shades. Look at how many shades of lipstick there are. Ooh, and one other thing. We got the mattifying loose setting powder. I'm so excited to try her. I've been trying powders like up the wazoo. And I love how there's a double closure because this just doesn't open it. There's also this so it doesn't go everywhere because I look for that now. And by the way, I hope you guys know this is not me bragging. This is me being thankful and showing you guys products that maybe you would want to buy. I am forever grateful for you guys watching me, because if it wasn't for you watching me, I wouldn't get sent this PR. I am just so overjoyed that companies want to give me stuff to work with on videos. And more importantly than that, I'm so thankful for you guys for watching, because if it wasn't for you watching, none of these companies would be like, hey girl, who are you? Let's go with something small, because I got some big PR packages today. I know I'm gonna save one of them for last because it's a big package. Ooh, we've got some Avon makeup. That's a random package. I've gotten Avon before, but this is, I don't remember it coming in that. It's the Unlimited Lashes Lash and Brow Activating Serum. See, why can't I speak today? Serum. My mom would actually love this because I think it makes your lashes grow. It's a highly developed eyelash treatment that enhances the look of lashes, features peptide blends with botanicals, known to promote thicker, longer, fuller, and healthier looking lashes and on your brows. Wow. Wow, that's when you know what's good and interesting, when I start doing the Owen Wilson voice. Wow. This next PR, I've seen it before because a lot of my friends got it. It's from Pop Beauty. Pop Beauty is underrated with some of their products. Like, I love their glitter eyeshadow toppers even more than Stila's. We have one palette in this PR package, and it is the Blink Brilliance Twinkle Texture Eyeshadow Palette. The one thing that I remember not liking about this palette in specifics is the smell. This one smells like paint, and it makes me sad that it smells like paint. And the texture of this is odd. It's like very loose, thick glitter. I don't know if I like it, but I'll try it. This next package is from Revlon. Oh my gosh, I love these clear Ziplocs because they make organizing so much more fun and better because I could see everything. But what they sent in this PR is their Volumazing mascara. I'll have to try this, but I don't know if it's waterproof. And you know me, I don't do waterproof, but I could save them for set. Oh my gosh, they have little bubbles in here, you know, those packing bubbles, but the packing bubbles are heart-shaped. How cute is that? And everything's purple. Let's see what this mascara does. It is a Lash Loud Live Boldly Volumizing Mascara, mixing 3 waxes for eye-catching lashes that stand out for hours. Okay. And we not only got that one Revlon package, we got 2, girl. Oh my gosh, you need to see this package. I'm gonna keep this box till the end of time. Can my ashes go in here? I'm being serious, it's that cute. It's the Revlon Shoot to the Moon. Oh my gosh, Revlon, you have these, wow, super lustrous Mystic Miss Gloss. This is the one thing I'm like, I need. Oh, yes, this reminds me of Too Faced's Unicorn Tears lipstick, but in gloss form. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use that. Wow. That retails for $9.99, so much cheaper than Unicorn Tears. We also have the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipsticks, and they're microfine pigments with a high impact color. They have 12 new limited edition shades. We also have the Revlon Eye Paint. Oh, okay, let me try this. I'm excited. I love eye paint. Milk makes some great eye paints, and not many companies do eye paint, I feel like. Okay, let's see how this swatches. Okay, it's not too bad. It's not too oily, but it's very thin. It's not bad though. So the eye paints are also $9.99. We also have this $14.99 Revlon Cheek Draping Palette. It looks like a highlight and blush set. The last thing being the Revlon Glow Gel texture. Fine Pearls creates a glow on your face. Oh, that's a liquid highlighter. I'm not good with liquid highlighters. I don't know, we'll see. But thank you so much, Revlon. I love this box. I can't wait to try this. This looks freaking amazing. And the PR package, you're doing it, girl. This next package is from, I hid my address, Sigma. We have 2 Sigma packages, I think. This one looks like it could hold a pizza. You remember when, I swear to you, was it Little Caesars or Pizza Hut back in the day, did a giant like rectangle pizza and the pizza slices were squares? Which one was it? Okay, she's a slim box of the Blush and Sculpt. Ooh, packaging. Sigma. Oh, Sigma, sis. Sigma, yes, girls of color. Sigma. This brush looks amazing. This is the Sigma Spotlight Duster F37. Oh, it's so soft. Sigma was like the second or one of the first companies to send me stuff. This is the F23 Soft Angle Contour. That looks amazing for contour. I don't have a brush like this. Put that with our brushes, and let's try this Sculpt Highlight Contour palette. Look at how gorgeous. Let's just swatch the highlight, because I'm a highlight like junkie. Like, highlight is like I have the most of because I love it so much. Okay, it's a more natural highlight. It is buildable. Ooh, okay. You know what it reminds me of, the texture is of the Bretman Rock collab with Morphe highlight palette. That's what this reminds me of. But it goes from, I'm surprised they didn't do more of a golden tone because it goes from super white to straight up like a pink to bronze. And I was correct. This package is also from Sigma. I did a Instagram live with them not too long ago, and I love their eyeshadow palettes. We'll see what's in here. I really hope it's another eyeshadow palette though, because I love their eyeshadows. Ooh, Essentials brush set. Oh, it has a little holder tin for it. Let's see this. I want to see if that tin works. I got excited because I thought the tin brush holder was one of those spinny makeup brush like washing things. Yes, that's so tiny. Anyways, it's cute though. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad because that went by so fast. We only have one more, guys, and this is a big box. It's super heavy and it's from my publicist, Robin. She is amazing. Val is amazing. She works with me with Robin too, and all of her whole team. They're so nice and they work so well with me and other people. I have literally one of the best publicists ever in the business. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, first of all, the first thing I see is a lot of things, but a lip balm from Drunk Elephant. They're so expensive, that's why I haven't tried Drunk Elephant. Oh, we also have their C Firma Day Serum, and we have the TLC Frabousse Night Serum. I'm gonna use all these because I had a Drunk Elephant sample and I loved it, and I used that baby like all week. I like stretched her out. Oh my gosh, yes, this is my favorite thing. This is the Sukari Baby Facial. It has chickpea flour in it. This is my favorite thing that I got the sample of. I am so excited for all of those. I'm turning 30 real soon. I know, it's crazy. I need all the skincare I can get. This is the Peace Out Puffy Eyes. I love stuff like this. I'm not a sheet mask girl at all. I don't like them actually, but I love under eye puffy mask stuff. And I got this Adina Jewels. Oh yes, jewelry. What? We got a rainbow ring, gold necklace. Oh, we got a snakeskin looking bracelet. So many rings. Oh, I love this one. This is a locket and it has like jewels of rainbows on it. And what I'm also excited about, the very last thing in here, we have some IGK volumizing texture spray. Yeah, I need all the volume. And we've got dry shampoo, which I live by. I have the best publicist in the world. Shout out to Robin, she's amazing. Thank you to IGK. I have been wanting to use your products so much. I can't wait to like get home at the end of the day and like just bathe in my little eye patches and my Drunk Elephant stuff with a bath bomb. It's gonna be everything. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and going through my PR packages. I saved all those Too Faced things for you guys because I love doing this. It's like stuff that we get to kind of enjoy together because we get to see it. Some of it's like before it's even released. That's what I love most. And what I also love is like stuff we could play with on here and you can watch me like go through, which would be amazing, and test out to see if you guys would want to buy it. So that's fun as well. Thank you again for hanging out with me today. I love you guys and I will see you in the next video. Bye.